Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Lifx scenes into another account without losing presets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer Lifx scenes into another account without losing presets, start by ensuring that both accounts are accessible. Open the Lifx app on your device. Log into the account that currently holds your scenes. Navigate to the Scenes section within the app. Select the scene you wish to transfer. Tap on the three-dot menu icon typically located at the top right corner of the scene. Choose the Export option from the drop-down menu. You will have the option to share the scene via various methods. Select your preferred sharing method. Follow the prompts to send the scene to your other account. Log out of the current account and log into the receiving account. Once logged in, locate the notification or message containing the shared scene. Open the shared scene link or notification. This should direct you to a page with details about the scene. From here, select the option to import the scene into your account. Ensure that any preset configurations are intact during the import process. After importing, check the Scenes section to confirm the scene is now available. If everything appears correct, your transfer is complete. You can repeat these steps for any additional scenes you wish to move. Make sure to review any settings for accuracy after the import. This ensures that your new account reflects your desired preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.